SATA questions, that is, select all that apply, are the most dreaded question type on the NCLEX. But here's the truth. They're not impossible. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple system to help you get more SATA questions right. You'll also get 3 live practice questions and a downloadable cheat sheet you can take with you. And yes, partial credit is a thing now on the next-gen NCLEX. But let's not settle for half points when you can actually master these. SATA questions aren't just testing facts. They're testing your ability to tell the difference between what's definitely true and what just sounds kinda right. Every single option is its own mini clinical judgment. Here's what most people don't realize. There's no fixed number of correct answers. It could be one, it could be all. Each option is scored on its own. So 3 correct and 1 wrong means partial credit. These questions usually sit at level 2 or 3 on the NCLEX scale, meaning you'll need to apply or analyze, not just memorize. And SATA can show up disguised as priority, teaching, or safety questions. So don't be fooled. Now let's look at high-impact strategies for SATA. If you want to get better at SATA, start using these high-impact techniques. First strategy. Treat every option as true or false. Read each one like it stands alone. Ask, is this true for this client? Not, does it sound familiar? But is it clinically correct and complete? The trap here? Choosing answers that feel sorta right. The NCLEX isn't forgiving with half-right thinking. Second strategy. Look for the pattern. If 3 answers mention bleeding and 2 mention infection, what's the real focus here? NCLEX usually targets one clinical concept. Spot the pattern and you'll spot the right answers. The tip is, most SATA questions are centered around core priorities, like safety, infection, perfusion, or neuro. Third strategy. Beware of absolutes. Words like always, never, must, or only should raise a red flag. Nursing is rarely all or nothing, unless it's a life or death safety issue. Watch out for these high-risk words such as always, never, all, only, immediately, unless it's a true emergency. Bonus strategy. The plus or minus rule. Only select what you know is correct. If you can back it up with clinical knowledge or textbook reasoning, pick it. If it's a maybe, leave it out. Because here's the deal. 2 correct and 1 wrong means you get partial credit. But 1 correct and 5 wrongs, that could wipe out your score. So pick confidently, even if it's just one option. Better to get +1 than a full 0. This isn't about selecting the most answers. It's about selecting the right ones. The NCLEX rewards clinical logic, not hopeful guessing. All right, let's look at some sample practice questions on SATA. Question 1. A client is experiencing hypoglycemia. Which findings should the nurse expect? Cool, clammy skin, fruity breath odor, tremors, bradycardia, difficulty concentrating, increased thirst. Let's break this down. Start with the true-false per option approach. Then look for the pattern. Here, it's the sympathetic nervous system kicking in. No extreme language here, but always stay alert. Question 2. You're teaching a client with COPD about home care. Which statements show correct understanding? I'll avoid the flu vaccine. I'll use my bronchodilator before activity. I'll practice pursed lip breathing. I should limit fluid intake to prevent cough. I'll do daily moderate exercise. I'll lie flat to sleep better. Strategy check-in. Apply the true or false method. Notice the pattern. This question is testing correct self-care for COPD management. Question 3. Which findings would you expect in a client with left-sided heart failure? Dyspnea on exertion, crackles in lungs, dependent edema, orthopnea, hepatomegaly, S3 heart sound. This one's all about applying clinical reasoning and knowing how to tell left-sided heart failure from right-sided. Let's bring it all together. SATA doesn't mean select a bunch. It means think like a nurse. Analyze each option. Trust your clinical judgment. And stick to what you can prove. Now, strategy recap. Treat every option as true or false. Spot the priority pattern. Watch for extreme language. Cut out feels right guesses. Use practice to sharpen reasoning, not just memory. Accuracy over quantity. That's the real key. Use your logic, trust your knowledge, and keep practicing with purpose. And if this helped you feel more confident with SATA questions, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a breakdown like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And hey, don't leave empty-handed. Click the link in the description or right here on the screen to grab your free NCLEX practice questions and cheat sheet. Perfect for your next study session. You've got this, and I've got your back. See you in the next one.